you're going through. My girl, you've got nothing to lose. Cold nights, Sunday mornings on your way and out of the grave. I've got time, I've got love, got confidence to rise above and give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my girl. Silent town and silent bed, pick a place to rest your head and give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my girl. I've been waiting for you to come around and tell me the truth about everything that you're going through. My girl, we got nothing to lose. Cold nights on Sunday mornings on your way and out of the grave. I've got time, I've got love, got confidence to rise above and give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my girl. Crowded town or silent bed, pick a place to rest your head and give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my girl. My girl, my girl. It takes one hot second to turn it around. It takes one hot second to turn it around. I've got time, I've got love, got confidence to rise above and give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my girl. Crowded town or silent bed, take a place to rest your head and give me a minute to hold my girl. Give me a minute to hold my girl.
Yay!
Oh, I love how your voices just complement each other. I only said my girl, I was waiting for I've got sunshine. So I was there waiting for that part and it didn't happen. I thought, oh, I love that song, it's lush. Well done, guys. Louise. Oh. Oh, well done, guys. That was a lovely performance. Really good storytelling from you, Georgia. You told us the story in your face, your body, everything. It was a really lovely physical performance. Harmonies were on point all the way through. The only thing I would say is just really listen to each other when it comes to the harmonies, because sometimes the harmony was overpowering the melody. So listen to each other and make sure you get that balance spot on, and it'll just take your performance just to that next level. But as a whole, it was a lovely performance. Well done. Thank you, Lou. Anya?
Oh, do you know what? I actually really loved that one. That one was really beautiful. Started off with almost like a whisper from you, and then you sort of got into it a bit more, and it was absolutely lovely. It's something, right? I don't know why, but I had the vibe where it's like I could just put it in the car and just listen in the car, and I don't know why, but I'd probably have it on repeat or something. It's like it gave me that type of vibe. It was just so mellow, so calming, and it was just gorgeous, and I absolutely loved it. So well done, guys.
Thank you, Anya. Kelly?
I think this is the moment we were all waiting for from you two, because if I remember, you had quite a rocky start, with like confidence issues being picked up and things like that. This song suited both of your vocals. You worked so well together. The harmonies were really, really sweet. And I found the line, got confidence to rise above, so fitting because of how confident that performance actually was. The way you moved the stage, the way you interacted with each other and the chemistry between you two, this was by far your best performance. And it's something, if you recorded to it, like Annie said, I would listen to it. It was absolutely fantastic, definitely my favourite of yours. Keep doing this kind of thing because you worked so well together on that, with songs like this. fantastic, smashed it out of the park, guys. Well done.
Thanks, Kel. Joey?
Do you know what, I'm actually, like, I can feel my nerves in my body going because of excitement of what I just felt from that. And do you know what? Literally, you've got to remember, you come into this journey and literally this is your first platform as a duo together, brother and sister. And we have watched you grow and grow and grow. Yeah, we've had some rocky times throughout with confidence and getting everything to get blend just right. But honestly, that was nothing you've ever done just came close to what you just done on that stage. And I could cry with confidence, like just cry with like overwhelmingness because, oh, you know what I've been like week in, week out in rehearsals when I've been saying, I just want to bring it to the stage, please bring it to the stage. Because you're smashing in the rehearsals, but do you know what? You did it. And Georgia, honestly, I really do feel quite emotional right now because you actually did it then. That's what I needed to see. And I know it's taken a while, but this is where it is. This is what it's all about. When people come into these journeys, you know, it's not just about, like, people know what Talent Search Cymru is. It's not about, oh, who's the best, who's the winner. We don't work like that. Everyone's treated equally here, and that's how it will always be. You know, I wouldn't have it any other way. And do you know what? You thoroughly deserve to be where you are right now. And any one of you could represent this tonight. But honestly, that was, for me, one of my favourite performances, not just from you, but from this whole entire season. One of my stand-up performances. I felt like I was watching a performance from the charts. You've just come in from the charts, and this is a new act. That's how I felt. It was exactly where you sit well. I can't say more because I'm going to keep repeating myself. You look amazing. Will, your voice came out more tonight. Wow, much better. You were confident, Georgia. Like I said, that's it. I just pray now that gives you that little bit at least to say, yeah, I can't do it. I can't do it, because that's exactly what you just did. For me, that was amazing. I'm telling you, one of my all-time favourite performances from this whole entire thing. Well done. Well done, guys.
Thanks.